Hello again my friends in this new tutorial. This time we're working with PowerPoint. I will show you how to create this animation using the Morph Transition. First open PowerPoint, go to Insert, then select the image you want. Press Ctrl plus X to cut the image. Right click, select Format Background, then choose Picture or Texture fill and select Clipboard. Click on the slide and duplicate it based on the images you have. Select the second slide, go to File and choose the second image. Repeat this for all slides. Go to Insert, then Shapes and select this curved shape. Make it, then drag the yellow handle downwards to curve it. Copy the shape as many times as you need using Ctrl plus D. Select all shapes with Ctrl plus A. Then go to Shadow and choose this shadow effect. Set transparency to 0% and blur to 70 points. Click on Slide Background Fill and select No Outline for the shape. Arrange the shapes as you like. Select all, go to Align and choose Align Middle. Copy the shapes with Ctrl plus C, then paste them on a slide using Ctrl plus V. Adjust the shape sizes on each slide so that every slide looks different. After resizing, go to Align and Align Middle to keep everything aligned. On the first slide, go to Insert and Shapes and select this shape. Resize it, then go to File and Line and Gradient Fill. Delete the extra gradient stops in the middle. Change the shape color to black and set transparency to 100%. Click Direction, then select this gradient option. Right-click the shape, select Send to Back. Copy the shape with Ctrl+C, then paste it on to the other slides with Ctrl+V. On the first slide, zoom out. Go to Insert and Pictures and select all the images you need. Click on each image. Go to Crop and Aspect Ratio, then select Square. Adjust the image carefully. Repeat this for all images. Select all images, click Crop and Crop to Shape and choose your desired shape. I'll use a diamond shape. Select all images and resize them to 1 from here. Arrange the images from first to last according to the order of your slides. Select all images, go to View and Guides. Then drag the images downward like this. Copy the images with Ctrl+C, then paste them onto a slide with Ctrl+V. Click on the first image, go to Format and change its size to 2.5. Center the first image, then place the others below it. select all, go to Format and Align and distribute vertical. Repeat this process for each slide. Add your text however you like. Select the first slide, press Ctrl+A to select all slides. Go to Transition and select Morph. And that's it. Don't forget to follow me to support my work and let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like next.